Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a simple yet elegant dessert using milk and vermicelli. Soft texture, caramel flavor and steam to perfection. An easy homemade sweet anyone can prepare. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup vermicelli in a pan. Roast on low heat for 1 minute. Stirring continuously. Vermicelli desserts are popular in many cultures. Keep aside. In another pan, add 1/4 cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Caramel adds depth and aroma to simple sweets. Cook until the sugar caramelizes. Immediately pour the caramel into a teacup and spread evenly. Pour caramel quickly before it hardens. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Eggs help set the dessert naturally. Add 1 cup milk and mix gently. Strain the mixture for a smooth texture. Always strain the custard mixture. Add the roasted vermicelli into the prepared cup. Pour the egg milk mixture and mix lightly. Boil some water, place the cup in the pot. Milk provides calcium and protein. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Steamed sweets use less fat than baked ones. And steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Steaming gives a smooth custard-like texture. Remove, cool slightly and unmold to serve. Your milk and vermicelli dessert is soft, lightly sweet and beautifully set. Serve it warm or chilled as you prefer. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more simple dessert.